Welcome back to Moonlit Meadows Tales. Today we have a special English quiz to learn how to use the words in, on, and at to talk about time like days, months and clock times. You'll see fun questions with cute pictures and you'll have 3 choices. Pick the correct one and shout it out loud. Let's go! I wake up. At 7 o'clock, great job. We go to school. Can you solve it? On Monday. My birthday is.
Happy birthday!
In July. When is your birthday? She eats lunch. At noon. So clever! We visit Grandma. Can you figure it out? On Sunday. Try the next one. The flowers bloom. In spring. Nice try! The party starts. Let's hear your answer. At 6 o'clock. They play football.
Goal!
On Saturday, you can do it. We wear coats. In winter. He sleeps. At night. Almost there. We go to the beach. Can you answer this? In August. The class starts. What's your answer? At AM, well done. She was born. On Friday. They read books. Ready to answer? In the evening. We go shopping. What do you say? At the weekend. I play games. On Sunday afternoon. Keep shining. The concert is. Pick your answer. At night. I go to school. In the morning. Stay strong. The show ends. At 9 o'clock. Nice try. The matches. Answer time. The answer is on Tuesday. It's cold. Make your pick. In December. Next question, champ. Mervik sleep. Choose wisely. At 9 p.m. My sister was born. Come on. Trust your thinking. In March. We study. Learning today, leading tomorrow. In the afternoon. Just a few more. We eat cake. What could it be? In the evening. You just completed our prepositions of time quiz. Remember, we say in for months and seasons, on for days, and at for exact times, easy peasy. If you had fun learning with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you never miss a new quiz or story. Bye bye!